Hey guys, we've had a goat. Primrose,
She's first time mama.
first time mama, has delivered. Let me hold my phone down.
Here, shine the light.
Right there. The first goat. Erica's husband across the street from us heard the yelling and called me.
I know.
And
Goodness, I'm sneezing.
we come out here.
Oh, baby.
We come out here and she was almost born. And so
I'm just rubbing her. Is that what I do?
yeah. Yeah.
Clean the baby.
So-
She's stimulated. She's trying to get out of my arms.
Yeah.
She's a stimulated.
So we're trying to clean her up. I'm gonna flip the
No,
seat.
No, baby. No, baby. No, baby. Please don't.
So, and all of our other girls are curious. So it's December. It's Lauren's birthday.
Sister's done had her a goat on her birthday.
My daughter-in-law's birthday is today, and we have had a baby goat on her birthday. And how sweet. That's sweet.
Yeah.
We got to get her some water. Hey, darling.
Hey, mama.
Hey, Mama. How are you?
You okay? Good.
Is she going to eat all that hay, babe, or are you just getting it for her to lay on?
I'm just getting it so that the baby's got a dry place to stay, not a wet one,
Yeah. Okay.
you know.
Okay. So let's put her down there with her mama, Erica, and see.
Okay. All right, Daddy. I'm setting her down. I think I've got her pretty well wiped off.
Give her to her mama.
Here, there's Mama. The sack fell off somewhere. I don't know where
It's
at.
underneath that pile there. She ain't finished discharging her stuff yet.
No, she hasn't.
I hope that,
You think that's too thick?
I don't know what is and what ain't. I know, you know, I wouldn't think it wouldn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
She can get around in it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I try putting her up close? She looks like she's trying to nurse.
Well, yeah, you put her anywhere you want to.
I think that's
You think what?
might be a little thick, the hay.
Well,
Mama,
you can thin it out some more, I guess.
she's not letting her nurse.
She will.
Well,
She will.
Take some more of that hay right there and throw it over.
Is that better, Daddy?
No, more.
Okay. You just keep telling me till. I'm throwing it on somebody over there.
That don't matter about them. Just spread this out good right here. You know. Stomp it down when you get where you can. Pat it down.
Yeah, throw that over.
Don't step on the cord there. You stepped on it, broke it, I think.
Did I?
Flip to the
Do
page.
it.
Hey guys. We're out here watching the baby. See if I can turn this around. I don't know how much light you'll see. Erica's here. Funny story is she was what were you doing to your hair, Erica?
Taking care of my hair.
So she has to go home.
I gotta go home and wash my hair.
So look right here. We have a baby. Look at the little tail. Yes. And Denise, bless her heart,
Got stuck at a work function.
got stuck at a Christmas party.
Hey, babies.
So, you can hear her sucking.
Good
She's
job,
trying. She's trying. Uh-oh, the light went away.
Oh, sorry.
So Mama is doing good. So we're just gonna kind of hang out here. The next one we were looking at Sassy
She's over there.
Britches. Woo! Her back in.
Hey, baby.
What do those look like? Not.
Not near.
What is this one?
Hers is fine.
Poppers.
Poppers is fine.
Yeah.
I mean, hers is a little swollen, but it's not near what
Yeah. Sassy's is bulging.
She'll probably be next. Which I can't see our two females over here.
Yeah, they look fine. They're chewing the cud.
What's wrong with you, ma'am? Why are you kicking like that?
She. Who is that? That's Caramel.
That's Caramel. What's wrong with you, baby?
She might be starting.
She
might be starting labor. Hey, what do you want, huh?
Are they hungry? Have they been fed?
Yeah, they've been fed. Hey, baby. What does she look like? Hey, baby. She got drainage?
Quite swollen. No drainage, but well, now that she's, she might.
They start acting really strange, Erica. Let's see, which one was it?
She's kicking her back legs.
Yeah. When
she stood up, it bulged behind, and I touched it a little bit, and it kind of opened. But there's no drainage.
It was her. I think that she went and got isolated herself.
Caramel?
Last year, yeah.
What you smelling, Keith?
Keith is sniffing of her. So we keep a close eye on her, too.
Sassy's over there by herself.
There's no lighting out here in the barn, so you have to forgive me for the footage.
She's a touch swollen, but she's not swollen like Sassy.
Yeah.
But she's kidded for already. She may not swell as much.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know how that works with second time.
We got the baby did suck a few seconds on Mama's nipple. Mama's not. Not so sure. You know, she's back there. The baby is. Her tail's wagging. That's a good sign.
She's up and moving.
Yeah, she's up and moving.
Real active.
So I'm sure Denise will be out here in a little bit to check on them. I knew this would happen. I knew it would happen when Denise wasn't here with me. We had to call on Mia. The baby was trying to get up. And I don't know if we caught that on. Did we catch it on video? I don't know. The baby was trying to get up. And the umbilical cord was still connected. And I couldn't remember on the last deliveries how they got separated. And since we're still new
to the goading,
you
Sassy,
know,
baby, what you doing?
We I just couldn't remember. Oh, she just tumbled down. Help her out, Mama. But anyway, it's quite dark out here.
The rest of the birthing juices are still laying in the front. I don't know if we need to get a shovel and clean that up.
Yeah.
What's that face for?
That was a yawn. Oh, look right here at my foot. Right down there at my foot. Look. Can you see? Sweet baby. Sweet mama. So sweet. Y'all stick around. I'm sure there's going to be some more entertainment soon and real soon. Oop. Hey, guys. It's Danette here. I come out here to check on the baby. Denise and them just got home. Standing out here in the dark. I don't know if you can hear it. But the coyotes are going crazy out there. It's creepy. Makes you wonder, can they smell all that after birth? She's down there eating after birth, and you can't really see the baby. There's the baby walking around wagging its tail. But Denise is coming with more light, so we'll be able to see everything. So anyway, looks like Mom and baby are doing good. Looks like Red did the job. You hear that, baby? That's a sweet sound. Sweet Sam. And all the girls are resting. Some big old honeys in here. We'll see. Y'all stick around. We'll keep you updated. Okay, well, we have we made a decision to put Sassy, you can see her.
All of it?
Sassy up and Leah up tonight. Because they're the other two that seem to be the closest. So we'll see what happens. We'll leave them in here for the night. We'll come back and check on them in the morning. We got Sassy in here. Eric's in here. Mom and baby are doing good. And then Leah is over there in that stall eating. We got them some water, some grain, and just going to...
Take that to the other side. Take that to the other side so I can... Over there, baby.
So we'll leave them in here and come check on them in the morning. So we'll see y'all in the morning. Hey guys, I just got home from my work Christmas party. I'm heading out to the goat barn to see the new baby goats, and Jeanette called us and said that we were having some babies, and so it's about 10 o'clock at night. I just got home. We're gonna go out here and check on them and see how baby's doing. Make sure baby's nursing and doing what she's supposed to be doing. Hey guys, we got some light in here now. Denise is coming. She's on her way. Hang on just a minute. Oh, I don't know how to flip your phone around. Hey Mama. Look.
You did it. You still look big.
Yeah,
You know? How old is she? Probably
8:05. I called Erica, told her to bring towels.
Okay.
So,
wow.
yeah, she just delivered the rest of that afterbirth. So she's been in here eating it.
Which is a very healthy thing for her.
Yep.
So that's what they're supposed to do.
And you see Mama is down there. Ugh. Eating it. Yes. And you see baby. You can see baby better now. With a light.
Yeah.
We haven't had any light in here. It's been kind of...
Yeah.
My phone's about dead.
Oh man.
Trying to catch it. So...
Wow. Thank y'all for getting out
I knew it would happen. I knew it would happen
we've
when
been
you...
out here
I know. I
morning
knew.
and night checking.
I know. I knew it would happen when you weren't here. And I was just, you know...
Life goes on the farm, you know.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
So,
She's a beauty, though. When I got out here, her nose was hanging out.
oh wow.
And she was screaming bloody murder.
I know, that's such a bad
I
scene.
think Eric got it on video. We'll have to see.
Yeah.
And in a matter of minutes, she had her pushed out, and I helped get the stuff off her nose. And
Does she have horns?
she looks like she's gonna have horns, sister. Yeah.
I don't want to burn the horns off.
No.
Well, she is blonde strawberry, so most likely she might be Redmond's, because I don't think Keebler would throw those colors. I'm going to talk to my genetics guy, Chris, and see if he'll let me know for sure. He would know.
Mm-hmm.
But she's a doll baby.
She looks like she's struggling eating that. I would struggle too, baby girl. Yes, I
Look at
would.
here. Look at that baby just move.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm wondering if I should work on tonight getting some more pinned up, just in case.
The only one, sister.
See, her tail's going sideways, if you see.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell. Breathing.
Yeah, but me and Erica, now her honey is a little, but man,
Hey, Leah.
Sassy's is, whew.
You can feel it loose. Look there, it's really loose. Her ligaments back there.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm wondering if I need to get her pinned in
Let
the
me
other.
show you right here. Right here on the front porch.
I got my other light. Let's see.
Right there was where she was laying, screaming bloody murder. You can see, you can see all the, where she,
Where's the others at?
so
Y'all got the hay in here?
well, we just tossed the hay over there.
There's nobody in there, right?
No.
Where's my babies at? Where's my other?
She's been isolating herself back here, sister.
Where?
Back here. On the back side.
I don't see her at all. Yep, she's over there.
But you should see her honey.
Yeah, I'm thinking I need to pin her up. I think
See, none of
Leah?
them.
I think Leah.
Well, Leah's don't even look as swollen.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Hey, doll baby.
Mm-hmm.
You had a baby. I can't believe you, Mama. You're a mama now.
Hey, sweetheart. You did it. Your baby had a baby.
I'm just...
Did you let Sarah know?
Oh, I haven't yet. I need to...
We gotta let Sarah know.
I need to FaceTime her. They were actually going to come out here tonight, and when she called me, I was at the party, so we'll have to call her.
Yeah.
Hello?
And guess what?
What?
Prim is a mama.
Really?
Prim has a baby.
Wait, is this Nana or my mama?
It's Niecy. It's your mama, you silly. Net's got my
What?
phone videoing.
I couldn't tell.
That's funny.
It's hard to tell by y'all's voice.
I know, and I kind of sound kind of cruddy a little bit, so. But I'll send you a picture when I can, but.
Yeah, send me pictures.
Yep.
She's got the red.
She's kind of strawberry blonde color.
Is she got blue eyes?
We can't tell just yet.
No.
She's about
Please send me pictures. I want to see so bad.
I will. I think Sassy might be close too. We're gonna probably put her up and see
Yeah.
how.
That's disgusting.
Aw.
You're struggling getting it down, aren't you, baby girl? I get it.
She's trying to eat her placenta now, so
Ew.
And she's gagging.
and she's gagging. So
Well, did she just have her? Is the baby nursing yet?
yeah, Jeanette says she's seen the baby nursing, so
Okay, good.
Had her a little after
Thank you,
8.
Mama.
she had her a little after 8.
Oh,
So
baby Prim.
baby Prim
On Lauren's birthday.
on Lauren's birthday.
That's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
And Megan's birthday.
And Megan's birthday. I have to send Megan
Don't
a.
forget her. I sent her a text this morning.
So we come out here this morning just to check on the babies and see how they're doing. Because I was worried about them. You know, we put Leah, see her right there. We put her in a stall because she looked like she was gonna be close to having a baby. And then we come out here, turn this around, and there's baby. She's doing great. She's doing great. Hopping around. And then we got Sassy we put up because we was worried about her. Light. Worried about her. And she's hanging in there. No baby yet. And of course we got sister over here who wants to get into her sister's. She's like, I need my people. So, hello, big girl. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? You're not having a baby yet, are you? You look like you're so close. Ooh, you look so close. So that's a follow-up. Look. Oh, look at baby. Can you see baby under there? Mama, don't kick her off. Don't kick her off, Mama. Don't do that. Hmm? Where'd she go? Huh? She's so cute. Look at her. Look at her. Trying to find it. I want to put it right on there. Because I want... Look at her. Oh, that feels good, don't it, baby? Huh? That feels good, don't it? Mama giving you a bath. Ooh, yeah. So sweet. Such a sweet baby. Way to go, Mama. Oh, goodness. Way to go, Mama. You did good. Hang in there, Leo, okay? Maybe today. Maybe today. So, maybe today, Leah have her baby and Sassy be doing something. We're gonna leave them in the stalls today and let them get used to being in there, and we'll see how they're gonna do. But off to the market. Erica and Stuffy be around to keep an eye on them. So maybe we'll get home this afternoon. We'll have some more babies. We'll see. Good morning. We got up to go to the gym this morning. It's Monday morning, and we have two goats that look like
They're acting strange.
they're acting a little strange. So we put them in the stalls here and decided to stand and watch them. They got to do something before we have to go to work. Or I'll have to leave them and get maybe Mom to come up and watch them. But let me show you who we got back here. So Sassy, we brought in here. She's just so big. Her sack is so full. We brought her in to the barns, into the stalls that we made. And then we got my Leah was the one that was acting so funny. She just wants loving is all she wants. So we think, you know, between the two of them, they should be, you know, pretty close. So she's just been restless. When I come out to check on them this morning, she was out of the barn walking around just neighing like crazy. And of course, Sassy can hardly walk because her milk's so full. And so we've been I just felt like me and Danette both felt like it was a good time to bring them out here.
She's gnawing on me.
And she's chewing on her finger, and let's see. So, hey baby.
Hey, darling. Oh, hey, darling. So, we felt like we'd watch them just for a little bit before we have to go to work. You know, I've got a few hours now to wait and watch and to see how they're doing. So we'll keep you up to date, guys. Hello, big girl. Hello. We'll keep you up to date, guys. Hey, guys. I went inside, left Denise out here to get dressed for work. And I was gone maybe, what, 30 minutes. And I come back. She's sitting in the stall.
And she brought me coffee.
And I brought her coffee.
Oh. I'm just trying to see if I can console her a little bit. My mama instinct wants to help her any way I can. She has been scratching a little bit at the dirt, so I don't know. I mean, that's a good sign, but not an active labor, but I think I feel like she's probably the next 24 hours. Hello, baby. She wants me just to touch her. And the other ones in the other pen have been hollering over in the goat yard. So
We'll see.
we'll see how it goes.
We shall see. I could stay here for just a little while longer and just see what happens. Sassy, she's just standing. She don't know what to think. Where's she at? She's in there somewhere. Oh, there she is. Yep. She doesn't know what to think. So it's a waiting game. Now stick around. Okay, so we were in the other barn thinking, oh God, thinking Leah was gonna have a baby, which she is, but she's slower. And our Carmel, who's always so sneaky on us last time she had babies, so she starts screaming within seconds. Here we go, look. Look at here. She's having number 2. Look, we have baby number 2.
What should I do?
I don't know. Just let it go. It's fine. She's doing it on her own.
What about that one?
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, where is it?
It's good. Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
Sister.
Give it a minute. Hold it up. Mama, get it. Oh. Oh my heavens. So
These are keepers then, aren't they?
yeah, these are Keeblers. Go help that one, please. Here, hold the camera. Hold on just a minute. Get off your baby. Get off your baby. Don't step on her. Don't step on her. On it. Okay. Just gonna let Mama clean her up. Holy crap. Take your phone. Okay. Look how cute. Sister.
What?
The wrong goat. My Carmel, she goes so fast. Remember she did it last year. And she had twins. Mama, get them. Mama, get them. Twins again. Oh my heavens. So the whole time I was thinking Karen was hollering, because it sounded like Karen. And here we go. We have, Carmel has 2 babies. Again. So we're gonna watch them. And Mama's cleaning them up. Good job, Mama.
She had twins last time, didn't she?
She did. Funny thing is she never showed signs. Isn't that funny? She never showed signs. Are you going to deliver another? Whew. Man alive.
Where are we gonna put them?
We'll try to move her up there with the ones Eric did.
Those are some little babies.
Yeah. Good job, Mama. Holy Moses. I know, Mama, you went fast.
Sick. It's so cold.
Wow. Caramel. Oh, man, I come running in here because I heard her. She's standing in the main barn. We didn't have time to get her to the other stalls. We just dropped here. So, the option would be to try to move them over there and that one over there, and they'd be protected from all the wind and everything.
Where?
Over there.
Well, if you keep this one closed,
Yeah.
but the others can't get in.
Yeah.
You can open up the back.
Whew, goodness. What a morning. I ran out up to the house and ran some lighting out to put some heat on them because they were shivering. It's in the low 40s this morning and it's cold. My hands are freezing from doing that. So I had to run the cord all the way from the house out and put a heat light on them. But it looks like we got 2 females. Mama's doing good. Gonna leave her in here. And watch the rest of them. I gotta go to work, so maybe nobody else will have any before then. It's like we have had the whole weekend, and they wait till Monday morning. Day on the farm. So they're doing good. I've seen both of them on the teat, so that looks good. Looks like my Carmel's gonna have me twins most of the time. So good job, girl. You did it. You did it. Whew, man, what a morning.